So I decided to start this vlog off by making 2 holiday inspired drinks. Now for this one, the butterscotch hot chocolate bomb, I decided to make it not so Christmassy, just so you guys can enjoy this drink year round if you ever just wanted something that's very butterscotchy and flavorful and tasty. Now, you know, I will say, you guys gotta try this with some Baileys, warmed up Baileys, okay? It will taste so bomb for those who are over 21. So definitely try it out. So this day I decided to go ahead and go to the cafe. I had to do a lot of things, including applying for TSA pre-check. Even though I have Clear, I feel like TSA pre-check is in more states than Clear. I love to go to the cafe though, because I feel like it puts me in a vibe. It makes me complete so much work. Things that I just keep on putting off, I can somehow get done at the cafe. The coffee's good and it's such a vibe. So if there's a cafe in your area, I definitely recommend that you check it out and just dedicate 1 to 2 or 3 days there a week if you can, if you work from home like me. So today is very early and I have been in pain. Well, not in pain, well, in pain and uncomfortable, a lot of discomfort in my body for like the last month, and I have been making a million doctor appointments just to still be without a doctor appointment until next month. So annoyed by that. So I'm a little bit like out of the mood because my female issues are happening right now. Okay, they're happening. But I used to have reoccurring ovarian cysts, and I think my ovarian cyst is coming back or forming, and so it has me just feeling very tired and just I'm feeling all the discomfort, and it is the worst feeling ever. So, but my friend Kaz in town today, and he is working on some things. I believe I'm helping him direct some things. So with that being said, I'm going to leave right now. This is my outfit that I'm wearing today. Just some regular black pants and this cute sweater. So we're wearing this. I should have packed last night because I couldn't find a lot of my equipment and it was driving me nuts. This car is so obnoxious. So I am getting there right on time. Atlanta is so weird. 8 o'clock traffic is the worst traffic, but once it hits like 8:58 or 9 o'clock, you like minus 10 minutes off of all traffic to like normal time. It's like the weirdest thing. So I'm heading down there now, and yeah. So yeah guys, I am here. The drive was really good. I watched this well, not watched, but I need to get into podcasts because I'm finding that I really enjoy hearing people's voices versus me listening to music. My music selection is very small, but I feel like I've heard every song in the world and I'm tired of hearing music. So I've been listening to like YouTube videos as I'm driving, and usually it's on like topics that are like pop culture or like scam likely calls and them getting caught and things like that. And so today I was watching this video on how this Australian woman died from getting a BBL, and the surgeon is still operating Tijuana. Really, really, really interesting. It was about 21 minutes and I didn't get to finish it, so I was like, damn it. So on the way back up, I have something to finish, but car should be coming down now. Yeah, I don't know if we're doing anything else after, but I'm a little nervous to even do that because I have a lot of equipment in my car and I can't. They be robbing out here, okay? Hi, boo. We're in this really cute Airbnb to shoot some content. What are you eating?
A banana muffin.
Banana muffin.
Hopefully I don't get too fat.
Would you cut it out? And he bought me a gift for my birthday.
Oh my God,
It's because it's cold. He's not used to the cold, so he's just like, what is happening? Gifts from Kai. Let's do an unboxing.
Chilling, eating dishes.
He's about to do a TikTok. And then we're going to Target, and then we're going to eat. Are you gonna drink?
Yeah, I ain't gotta drive out here. Baby, we need shots.
What type of shots?
What you recommend?
What you like?
A little bit of this, a little bit of that.
Casamigos?
No.
Oh.
What is wrong with you?
He don't know.
He don't know.
He don't know.
Actually, let me just do a Moscow Mule.
I'll do a lychee martini. What you have? Oh, Moscow Mule?
Yeah.
Perfect. All right, so we came from Target, had to get some necessary things, and then we are here eating. So much content for today, so make sure you're following Ka.
Yeah.
Stop! But,
Yeah.
oh my God.